So let's do some makeup. I'm back on my Zoom and yeah, I'm getting locked in now. Like I'm done procrastinating. I'm done binge watching. I'm done eating. It's like that, ain't it? Like sometimes you just need that time. Like you need that time to procrastinate. When I procrastinate, I'm going in the next season. Like bitch, I have like batteries and a extra battery. I value my vacation as much as I value my work because I know when I'm in vacation, bitch, I vacation. When I'm at work, yeah, I'm at work. I might even block motherfuckers. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna try these products that I've seen one size. I've seen the girls go crazy. So I'm about to see what's the motherfucking tea. I'm not a person that has crazy pigmentation or anything like that. So I don't mind going light, but I'm ready to go back to what makeup was. Like, I don't know if I could do this, y'all. Let's get it on. Whatever they want to call being lazy, please. Listen, people be asking me about my skincare. Sometimes it's just my naps. I promise you. Like, the moment I take some naps for like 3 days straight, just make it a thing. Trust me. Like, yo, you really end up being a whole different person by the end of the week. I act like, oh, I can't sleep. I can't sleep during the day. Child, if you don't take a melatonin, if you don't take a Benadryl and just take that damn nap, and then you all go crazy with these products when it comes to the under eye. Yo, just take your nap. For real. Just take your nap. I'm not about to say nothing else. Just take your nap, bro. Don't sleep on Elf. You see how pigmented that was? Do not sleep on Elf. See what I'm saying? Do not sleep on Elf. So here we are. I like to do my concealer like this. I don't like to go crazy with the shit because shit don't be that serious. Make sure you get the forehead, please. A little bit in on, oh God, a little bit on the nose. And there you go. A little bit here, a little bit of here. Go up a little bit. Okay. Now that's how you blend. Stop playing with that, girl. I'm going to start off with my contour powder. I don't even have contour powder. What am I talking about? Okay, so we're just going to try makeup without no contour powder. If you don't have contour powder, then guess what? This is your tutorial. On today's menu, we have one size, and this is their setting powder and their oil sucker. And today we are going to try to see if it's really tea. Because y'all be hyping stuff, so we about to see if it's really tea for real. Like, oh, okay now. I might not even need the oil sucker. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Yeah, I think this company knew exactly what it was doing. Like, oh my God. Like, do you see this side? And then this side? I don't think I need the sucker, whatever. The oil sucker. We're gonna use it anyway, but there you guys have it. You don't even need the thing. Oof. Oof. I'm not gonna bake today because it's just not that type of day. Let's do my eyebrows. Let's move on to the brows, y'all. Let's brush these babies up. And guys, these are powdered brows. Like when I tell y'all, if you never got your brows powdered, you better run because it's a big investment. I haven't really done my eyebrows in like, well, it's been 2 months since I had it done. So yeah, in 2 months. And look what it looks like. If you guys ever look at my old videos, you'll see like how my brows always set. Like I had brows, but it wasn't like all in the eyelid. Let's do like a nice little Malibu sunset look. And I'm just gonna do like a high pitch yellow. If I don't like it, it's coming off. Y'all already know how I do it. I really did this look before. I don't know why I'm going back to it. Maybe somebody need to see it. Don't be afraid to play with your colors. Okay? See that? This is especially for anybody that has like a bridesmaid and y'all like doing beach vibes. Mascara. This is Root for Me by MAC. Now let's see if this works. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. So yeah, so we're just gonna leave it like this because child, the curls did not work out how I expected it, so we had to just brush that baby out. What is it giving? This is like a nice rooftop sunset vibe. Long story short, drink your water, take your naps, and be the best version of yourself that your future self is going to be proud of. With love from the